Hi, this is Namrata from Modern Plastics TV. We are at Die Mold India 2026 exhibition at 𝐏𝐳𝐝𝐿, Mumbai. We have a great opportunity to meet Mr. Vinay Kumar at FANUC India Pvt Limited. So thank you so much for giving us this chance to meet you and to have few words with you. So we would like to understand the company profile and what product ranges do you have to offer?
Sure. Thank you. FANUC, we are a Japanese company in the field of factory automation. We have three verticals. The first vertical being the factory automation vertical, wherein we have computerized numeric controllers, which is used in the machines, machine tool basically. These controllers are interfaced to bring out CNC machines. We have our second vertical, which is the industrial robot vertical. Here we have robots which are manufactured and can be used for various applications. And we have the largest range of robots. We have about 300 plus different options available with you, and we are the only manufacturer to have sold 1 million robots so far, 1 million robots which are working. The third vertical is our machines vertical, what we call as robo machine. Here we have an vertical machining center, plus we have also a plastic injection molding machine, which is an all-electric injection molding machine. FANUC were the pioneers to bring out all-electric injection molding machines, and we also have a wire cut EDM, which we call as RoboCut. So we have these 5 products under 3 verticals, which form our total product portfolio. And on top of that, we have service, which is our major kind of backbone, I would say. And the best thing about FANUC is we offer services till the customer wants to use the product. So it's literally a lifetime support what we offer for all our product lines.
So what are the company's future plans and how do you look at it 10 years down the line?
Yeah, see, as you see, automation has become more or less the key requirement. So we definitely see a great future for ourselves. If you see today, every other product or every other manufacturing process is getting automated. And we will definitely be playing a great role in this journey of automation, which India is almost there. And most of the, as I said, even the small scale industry, medium scale industries are today looking at automation. So we definitely have a great plan to automate the Indian industry with different product lines. As I told you, the 5 product lines, what we have, 3 product lines. With these 3 product lines, definitely we foresee to do a lot of automation and automate the factories. Literally, we would like to see a dark factory in almost every factory.
So how is the company contributing to this die mold and tooling industry?
Yeah, see, we have products, as I told you, our third vertical, which is a robo machine vertical, is having products of, it's a vertical machining center, as well as we have a wire cut EDM and an electric injection molding machine. If you take these 3 product lines together, it is more or less working very close to what we call as die mold. If you can make the die and mold on these 3 machines of the wire cut and the vertical machining center, and we also have a product which can give you an output of it. Like you can use these molds on an electric injection molding machine and get the final product. So you have a kind of complete series that is from design to final product is something what we can give for you.
So I just want to understand that what message you would like to give to the industry and the people.
Yeah, I feel, I think the industries, of course, are looking at automating their processes. And I am sure like the faster they get into it, we will become more competitive in the global market. And definitely, needless to say, you will get the best quality. So today we have so many products in our portfolio which can really help you reach there.
So what is your today's experience considering the exhibition that is here?
Yeah, see, we expect more and more people to come and witness us. So the very idea of taking part in these exhibitions is to show the world that what we have for them and what we can offer to them. And this is the medium what we would like to use for it.
So thank you so much, sir, for meeting us and giving us this opportunity. So congratulations and all the best to you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.